Is the future of enterprise software at the brink of revolution? Today I'm diving into how ChatGPT could potentially reshape platforms like ServiceNow. Hello and welcome, my name is Kostya and I'm ServiceNow Architect and Managing Director of Teiva Systems. I explore cutting edge of technology and its impact on the business world. In this episode, I'm examining a hot topic, the potential of generative AI, especially ChatGPT, and how it disrupts established services and platforms like ServiceNow. With the latest ChatGPT 4 Turbo featuring custom personal assistants and an application storing in near future, we are not just looking at upgrades. We are witnessing a potential overhaul in how we interact with technology. What does it mean for giants like ServiceNow? And ServiceNow isn't just watching from the sidelines, they're actively integrating LLM and GenAI into their ecosystem. But critical question we face is, can these platforms adapt quickly enough to survive the AI disruption? Just imagine a world where you don't need separate software for different tasks. What if AI-driven experience could provide any service or assistance? We are venturing into a realm where the concept of dedicated software could become obsolete. ChatGPT's broad capabilities like those seen in the tech support advisor of OpenAI are already challenging platforms like Quora and Stack Overflow, but the true game changer will be custom AI solutions tailored for specific business needs, respecting data privacy and corporate context. Envision an AI assistant integrated into your corporate data systems, transforming the way we work. This isn't just about replacing existing software, it's about complete paradigm shift on how enterprises operate. Let's now take a look on the Tech Support Advisor, a new personal assistant based on ChatGPT. It is designed to help to setting up a printer or troubleshooting a device step by step. The Tech Support Advisor is a predefined assistant in the new ChatGPT version. The model is streamlined to help with hardware and software issues. Let's see if it can help me with my notebook issue. The response time is definitely shorter than with the most questions and answers platforms and also corporate service desks. Looks like the assistant requires more details to be able to help me further. That's fair. Let's give him some more details. Okay, now I have to read quite a lot of text, but it's better than using Google or browsing dozens of websites. But as you see, the responses are very generic. Of course, it doesn't know anything about my equipment. That's pretty good, but not good enough for the corporate context. I created my personal assistant. The assistant knows some information about myself, my equipment, and the services that the organization theoretically provides. Let's try with the same issue. Okay, same here. Of course, it needs further details. The result looks completely different than with the Tech Support Advisor. It also knows that I have a MacBook Pro as my equipment. It also knows about my iPhone, but it doesn't mention it here because it's not relevant for the issue. It also knows that there was a battery replacement recently, and the root cause could be a faulty battery or wrong installation. That's nice. So how it knows about my equipment and the change requests? I basically uploaded some sample data, and the model understands what data is required in order to solve this issue. Next, it asks me if it should initiate an examination. Okay, let's agree. It says it will create a service request. There is no integration yet, so nothing will happen. However, you can create actions and integrate with external systems using REST API. I tested and failed, unfortunately, because it's quite buggy, at least at this point of time. But it looks very promising. The assistant also asks if it can be helpful somehow further. I will him to initiate a replacement straight away. Let's see. Good, it will create another request with the highest priority due to potential health risk. I'm happy. Thanks. Keep in mind it is a very simple prompt and there is a lack of integrations and the technology is not stable enough right now. However, I see a huge potential in disrupting employee and customer experience. You actually don't need majority of tools anymore. You will need to collect all information and feed into the model. And of course, there are things to consider like data privacy, but also hallucinations and level of access. For example, a field service worker, a supervisor, or an accountant and a CIO should have different level of access. To sum up, generative AI like ChatGPT isn't just an upgrade to existing applications, it's a potential disruptor. It can redefine the entire landscape of enterprise services. The integration of AI in platforms like ServiceNow is more than just an evolution. For me, it's more like a revolution of AI-driven solutions, and they came to be at the core of business operations. Subscribe and follow me for more insights and join me in exploring how technology can drive your business strategy. Let's embrace the future together. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future is not just about technology, it's about how we adopt it and leverage it to transform our world. See you in the next video.